Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the screen lock on Samsung Galaxy A16. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type lock screen and AOD. This will bring up the section where you can customize your lock screen settings and more. Quick tip, AOD stands for Always On Display, and it's part of the same settings area. Step 4. After performing the search, find the lock screen and AOD and tap it. This will take you into a menu where you can adjust lock screen preferences. Step 5. Now, locate the screen lock type. Tap it, and you'll be asked to enter your current password, PIN, or pattern, just to verify it's you. Step 6. For the last and most important step, you'll see several options like pattern, PIN, password, and none. Tap on none and remove it. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same menu and set up a new lock type anytime. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.